Hello everybody, I'm Carmen Dellutri of the Dellutri Law Group, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about what to expect when you come into our office for a free consultation. Let's talk today about bankruptcy consultations. You're coming in and you want to talk to an attorney about what type of problems that you're having. Our office is kind of unique, where we want to send you some information first. We wanted you to take a few minutes and tell us exactly what you're dealing with. For example, if you don't have an IRS problem, I want you to cross that off the list. I don't have an IRS problem. So we don't waste time at the consultation worrying about you might having an IRS problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to send you an email, and we want you to fill out our form. It may take you less than 5 minutes. Yes or no questions. And basically what we're doing is narrowing down the funnel. The world of debt down to these 5 or 6 issues that you're having. That allows us to focus on those 5 issues, and it allows you to focus on your time with the attorney on your specific issues without wasting time on other matters, because there's a lot to talk about at a free consultation. You might have lawsuits which we need to deal with. You might have IRS problems which we need to deal with. You might have garnishment issues, which are obviously very important. You might be facing a foreclosure, and we really want to focus our time on those issues that are most important to you. Then we're going to talk to you about the different types of bankruptcies that may help you. Or if bankruptcy is not an option, we want to talk to you about the other alternatives that you may have that could help your situation. Or maybe a combination of different things. The next thing we want to focus on is procedure. We're going to tell you exactly what to expect if you do decide to file bankruptcy, what's going to be expected of you, how our offices are going to work together. We're going to make a decision as to whether or not you're going to file bankruptcy or not. And then ultimately, if you decide to retain that day, we're going to go through a retainer with you where we go through everything. And the retainer basically is we go through the written contract. We tell you how much it's going to cost. We tell you what you're going to need to provide us with and what we're going to do for you. And it's all laid out in writing. So the initial consultation is a very, very important step of the process. I think one of the best things about the initial consultation is you get a chance to come in, sit down with us, and really feel if this is the right fit. In other words, is this the person who I want helping me? I like to treat initial consultations as a job interview. You're seeing if you want to hire me. Sometimes you may say, you know what, he may not be the guy for me. Other times you may say, hey, this guy's got it, he's the one I want, and he's going to take me through this process. And again, if we've got a great fit, great, let's get started and let's get going on it. Alternatively, I want you to feel comfortable, the most comfortable you've ever felt. Some people who've come in my office have never met with an attorney before. That's fine. We're not going to bite you. I come to work pretty casual. I want to know that you're comfortable. So when you come to our office, trust me, you're not going to feel like an outsider. You're going to be treated like family. We're going to put you in a conference room. We're going to meet with the attorney, and we're going to answer all your questions. So write down your questions. The chances are pretty good we're going to answer all your questions as we go through the process. But if not, you want to have your questions written down because you don't want to leave and go, oh, I forgot to ask this question, and it's really important to me. So make sure you write down your questions before you come in. After the consultation, if there's something that you didn't feel comfortable with or something you don't understand, please feel free to call us. That's what we're here for. We're here to help. Okay? Thank you and have a good day. I'm Carmen Dellutri saying, welcome to the firm.
Thank you for taking the time to watch. I'm Casey Byers with the Dellutri Law Group. If you liked what you saw in this video, then do us a favor by liking or commenting below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information and other available helpful resources. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.